These are the solutions to question number 8 from the 2015 Chaos examination paper. So for part A, I've given you expressions here for alpha s and minus f of s. You have to write a short MATLAB program, so you can just revise this off by heart to find the f alpha curve. Now on the day of the examination, you do not need to label the axes, so you don't need this lower part here. So all you have to need to do to revise for the exam is remember this code up here. And this code just uses these formulae. So you should be able to remember that formula, and that's just in the MATLAB code here. On the day of the examination, you need to write this bit of code here. So just the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. So 7 lines of code here. And in your examination paper, you need to plot this curve and show clearly where it crosses the alpha axis. And you also need to label clearly where this maximum value is. So on the day of the exam, you have to plot this curve in your answer booklet, and you have to write this code in the answer booklet. For part B, I've given you a MATLAB program to plot the Koch curve, which is here, and we have to edit that program to give a variation on the Koch curve, which is this here. So on the day of the exam, I would put k equals 1 because we want to know that this motif is correct. So you can see we go along here, up and then up again, then we go left, then down, down, and then off. So we only need to edit 5 lines. The M max, so here there are 4 segments, so we have 4 to the k segments at stage k. Here we have 7 segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the M max is 7 to the k. The length is still 1/3, so here we leave this as 3 to the minus k. Now you've got to work out the angles. So this first angle is 0. This angle here is pi over 3. This angle is also pi over 3. And then this angle is minus pi. So then we have to go back this way, minus pi. Then we go through minus pi over 3, minus pi over 3, and 0 again. So those are the 7 angles. And then remember you're dealing with 7 segments. So then you also have to edit these 2 lines and put mod M7 and floor M over 7. So you only have to write those 5 lines in the answer booklet to get full marks. And that concludes the solutions to question number 8 and the whole examination paper for 2015.